Are you a leader in the technology or telecom space, constantly searching for the one marketing strategy that will really move the needle and help your business stand out? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to reveal the ultimate B2B marketing strategy that can help your company drive sustainable growth and achieve market differentiation. So stick with me. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable insights that could be a game-changing for your business. And I'm Michael Williamson. I'm the CEO and founder of Tech Growth Strategy and Insights. Over the last 30 years, I've worked with leading technology and telecoms companies, helping them generate a collective £24 billion in sales across more than 100 countries. And through all of that experience, I've seen that the strategies that work and the ones that don't. And today I'm going to walk you through the ultimate B2B marketing strategy that's designed specifically for companies like yours, companies that are looking to not only compete but dominate their market. So let's face it, B2B marketing is more complicated than ever before. The market is crowded, buyers are better informed, and sales cycles are long. You've probably asked yourself, how do I get my message across? How do I generate real engagement with the right decision makers? And it's a challenge I hear about all the time, especially from technology and telecoms firms. And one of the biggest problems we face today is that many companies are still relying on outdated marketing techniques, just broadcasting generic messages, focusing only on product features, or trying to reach everyone instead of targeting the right audience. And this doesn't work anymore. What you need is a more focused, data-driven approach that speaks directly to the needs of your customers while differentiating your offering from the competition. So let's dive into what makes the ultimate B2B marketing strategy. Well, there are 5 key pillars that, when combined, create a powerful engine for growth. And these pillars are designed specifically for technology and telecoms companies and will give you the competitive edge. Now, the first is customer-centric positioning. And that's really the first pillar of focusing around your brand and products, around your customer needs. Too many companies make the mistake of focusing on what their product does rather than what problems it solves. You need to position your company as the answer to your customers' pain points. For example, instead of saying we provide cloud solutions, you might say we help enterprises scale their infrastructure without the headaches of managing on-premise systems. See the difference? It's about solving the customer's problem, not promoting features. Secondly, personalized account-based marketing. This is one of the most effective strategies for B2B marketing, especially in the technology and telecom sectors. Account-based marketing allows you to target specific high-value accounts with personalized marketing efforts. Instead of trying to reach a broad audience, you focus on the companies that are most likely to benefit from your product and then create tailored content and campaigns that speak directly to their needs. For example, if you're selling network solutions to a telecom provider, your account-based marketing campaign would include personalized messaging about how your solution provides and improves bandwidth and reliability for their unique infrastructure needs. This approach increases engagement and leads to higher conversion rates. Leveraging thought leadership is a third pillar, and that's about building thought leadership. In B2B, especially in the technology world, decision makers are looking for partners who are seen as experts in their field, and by consistently sharing valuable insights through blogs, webinars, white papers, or even videos like this one, you position your company as a trusted advisor. Content is key here. Your thought leadership content should address the challenges your customers face and provide actionable insights. This not only builds trust, but keeps your brand top of mind when they're trying to make a purchasing decision. Number 4 is partnerships to extend reach. Partnering with complementary companies can significantly amplify your marketing efforts. For example, if you provide cloud solutions, partnering with a cybersecurity firm allows you to offer a more comprehensive package to your customers while tapping into your partner's customer base. You both benefit by expanding your reach and offering greater value. These partnerships can also open the door to co-branded marketing campaigns, joint webinars and shared sales opportunities, helping you break into new markets faster than you could do on your own. Fifth is data-driven optimization. This is a fifth pillar. And really it's about using data constantly to refine and optimize your marketing efforts. Today you have access to more data than ever before, from website analytics to email open rates and social media engagement. But collecting data isn't enough. You need to analyze it and make decisions based on what the data is telling you. For example, if your content marketing is getting high engagement from decision makers in a particular industry, that's a signal to create a more content focused strategy on that segment. By being data driven, you can double down on what's working and stop wasting time and resourcing on what isn't. So here's a key takeaway. When you combine these 5 pillars: customer centric positioning, personalized account based marketing, thought leadership, partnerships and data driven optimization, you create a marketing strategy that isn't just reactive but proactive. This strategy helps you anticipate your customers' needs, differentiate yourself from the competition, and drive consistent, measurable growth. And here's the best part: this strategy isn't just for the big players. Whether you're a high-growth startup or an established company, these pillars are scalable and can be tailored to fit your business. This is the ultimate marketing strategy for B2B because it's flexible, data-backed, and laser-focused on results. So just to recap, start with customer-centric positioning that highlights the problem you solve. Use account-based marketing to personalize your approach for high-value accounts. Build thought leadership to establish trust and credibility. Form strategic partnerships to extend your reach and offer more value. And finally, use data to continually optimize your marketing for better results. When these 5 pillars are combined, you create the ultimate marketing strategy that can take your technology or telecom business to the next level. It's not about trying to do everything. It's about doing the right things in a smart and focused way. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's been your biggest challenge with B2B marketing so far? Let me know in the comments below and let's start a conversation. I'm here to help you refine your strategy and figure out how to apply these pillars to your business. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to improve your growth, especially if you're in the technology and telecom sectors. I'll be sharing regular insights to help you stay ahead of the curve. And if you're ready to take your company's growth to the next level, click the link in the bio to see if you qualify for a free growth opportunity assessment. This assessment will give you a customized analysis of your market, your competitors and your customers, and help you identify the best opportunities to drive revenue and profit growth. It's a powerful tool that can help you unlock your company's full potential. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. God bless.